Welcome to Full On Self Motivation. Today we are talking about kids. Why your kids might struggle with money and how to overcome the three big fears moms pass down unknowingly. Okay? So, have you ever noticed how children copy us? Not just the way we walk or smile, but the way we react to life. And let me tell you the truth, kids don't only inherit our looks, they inherit our fears also. And when it comes to money, these fears are very powerful. Every sigh at a bill, every time you hesitate before buying something for yourself, or every time you say, what if this is not enough? Your child is silently watching. And one day those fears become theirs. Let me tell you top three common fears. Okay. First is fear of not having enough. Most common fear because moms, they are natural providers. So we keep thinking, right, will this be enough for the month? What if there is an emergency? And so we live in constant worry. We cut back, we compromise, and we tell ourselves we can't afford that, right? And our kids don't understand the math, but they feel the tension. They grow up believing there is never enough, no matter how much they earn. Now, how can you break this? Let me tell you three steps for this. First is start by building even a tiny emergency fund. Imagine telling your child, we save 500 rupees this month. And look, it is our safety cushion now. That small step shows them security is possible. And the second one is please change your words. Instead of saying we don't have enough, let us say let's plan for it. Words of possibility plant seeds of hope. And third is celebrate sufficiency. That is when the dinner is simple but tasty, smile and say we had just enough and it was perfect. That teaches your child to see money as supportive, not a scarce one. Okay? And let's move on to the second fear, fear of losing money. So many moms think, what if I invest and lose everything? This fear makes us cling only to savings. But children watching this grow up thinking risk is dangerous, that stepping out of safety is wrong. They avoid opportunities, even the good ones. Now, let me tell you three steps to break this. Start small. Don't wait for the perfect time. Begin with a small SIP or even a coin jar that grows slowly. Show your child that growth happens step by step. Second is change the language. Instead of we might lose, say let's see how this grows. Curiosity replaces fear. Third one is involve your kids. Show them the balance increasing even if it is little. That single moment tells them money can grow and not just disappear. Now the third fear. And then there is the fear moms rarely talk about, isn't it? That is spending on yourself. What do we think? We think like, okay, if I buy this dress or book or coffee, I'm taking away from my family. So we sacrifice, we push our needs last. But tell me, isn't it dangerous for your kids? Because kids are seeing that and they learn that wanting something nice for yourself is wrong, that they don't deserve abundance either. They will automatically think like that, no? So, how do you break this fear? First step is to practice guilt free self care spending. Buy that book you love and tell your kids, this makes me happy. And when I am happy, I can give you more love. Second is explain it openly. Let them see that spending on yourself is not selfish, it is responsible because it gives you energy, right? And third one is involve them. Take your child shopping with you and let them help choose. When they see you smile, they connect money with joy and not guilt. Because why I'm saying all these things is I had to face these fears myself earlier. I used to worry endlessly, avoid investments, and feel guilty every time I spent on me. And until one day I heard my son repeat the words, maybe we can't afford it, right? And it hit me like lightning. I realized my fears were becoming his. And that was my turning point. I started small, shifting words slowly, showing calmness, celebrating wins, and slowly my fears also melted away. And my child, he began to see money as a friend, not as a monster. And this is why I created the Millionaire Mom program, because moms don't just need financial tips, we need to heal the fears we carry so our kids don't inherit them. Inside, I help you release fear, build wealth with confidence, and pass down abundance instead of anxiety. So, mom, let me ask you, do you want your child to inherit fear or freedom? Click the link below, join me inside the Millionaire Mom program, and let's change the story your children carry starting today.